Welcome back, guys. This is B-Main RC, aka Marco, here with another video. Today's video is another unboxing. I don't know if you guys remember on Facebook and Instagram, Coyote Electronics, the newest and hottest manufacturers of RC speed controls, motors, and batteries, as well as accessories, did a Christmas giveaway. And I entered, and you know, I don't really win these things, and to my surprise somebody tagged me that I had won the giveaway here. So fast forward about a month and finally get a mystery giveaway box. So what they did was 5 lucky winners, 5 different mystery boxes. Nobody knew what was in the box. I haven't even opened this yet, so I do want to thank Coyote Electronics, which you heard it here first, will be the onboard power system and most likely batteries for when I start running e-buggy or e-truggy. I'm gonna flip a coin on those two because I do love e-truggy, but I feel like I can get a little bit more work done with the e-buggy, because me and buggy have a love-hate relationship. So let's go ahead and open this. So this has come directly from China. I kind of knew at least what one of the things were going to be in there, because they did reach out and ask me what my size was. So here we go. Alright. I'm just going to adjust the camera a little bit so you guys can see it. Alright. So, first thing we got, a whole bunch of Coyote stickers. Pretty cool. Thank you so much, guys. Don't have to worry about getting some custom stickers made when I do start running your products. Coyote pit towel. This is pretty cool looking. I do love the colors. I like that one. Got a Coyote hat. I don't know about white, man. White at the track. I don't know. I gotta adjust it, but you know, it is what it is. So, but check it out. Not bad. Cool. And last but not least, classic fit black pullover hoodie in my size. So, which is pretty cool. I gotta figure out how to open this. I suck at these things. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. So, Coyote pullover hoodie, 4-speed United. So, definitely gonna be rocking the hoodie too as well. So, thank you again. Big shout out to Coyote Electronics. Make sure you check them out. I'm gonna link them in the description. And let me know how you're dealing with them. I am looking to run them in our electric vehicles, maybe for 2026, midway through 2026, maybe for 2026-2027 indoor carpet season. Who knows? Gotta stick to the channel and find out soon, right? Alright, so that was a quick unboxing. Thank you again. Thank you so much, Coyote Electronics, for this mystery giveaway and giving back to the racers and the supporters of your new products. They've been kicking butt. Lots of great things that I've heard and read about them, both online and in person, and definitely looking to get my hands on a 1/8 ESC and speed control and the battery as well. So, alright, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.